Hello and welcome. My name is Reese, and today I'm introducing the DuoBoard, BenQ's corporate interactive display designed for collaboration. DuoBoard's key feature is called Collaboration Plus. What is it exactly? I'll explain the details in a bit, but first let's talk specs. The DuoBoard is available in 65 and 86 inches and features 4K UHD capacitive touchscreens, working both in landscape and portrait mode. It has a full HD camera and a 6-microphone array designed for video conferencing. The DuoBoard also offers excellent compatibility with OPS, HDMI, VGA and USB support. Its screen uses direct bonding technology that drastically reduces parallax error, or the visual gap between the touch point and the display panel. This ensures precise handwriting input every time. We at BenQ designed the DuoBoard for effective teamwork. With this in mind, we focused on 3 things: collaboration, casting, and conferencing. For collaboration, we offer 3 special modes that we collectively call Collaboration Plus. The first is the DuoBoards mode. It allows you to connect 2 boards together and effectively doubles your workspace. The second mode is DuoOS, which lets you view 2 operating systems on the same screen. The third is DuoWindows, that allows you to run 2 apps side by side. With casting, you can wirelessly share your screen from your personal device and control it directly from the board. Finally, we have conferencing. You can host video calls directly from the DuoBoard using the built-in app or your preferred video conferencing solution through the OPS slot computer. With all these features, the DuoBoard ensures seamless collaboration so that you and your team can develop better, more innovative solutions.